Honey, could you come here for a second? We need to talk. My parents are coming to visit next week, and I want to get this place clean. Besides, it is almost April, and it is time for some spring cleaning anyway. I hate cleaning. Can't we just tidy up a bit for the night before your parents get here? Are you kidding me? This place is a pigsty. We can't just tidy up the house. We need to do a deep cleaning. The upstairs is a disaster area. Let's start by cleaning out your bedroom closet. You have a lot of junk in there. My closet? Your parents aren't even going to go in the closet. I say we wipe down the kitchen counter and maybe vacuum the rug in the living room. That's all we need to do. No way. The house is trashed and I am too embarrassed to have my parents see it like this. You never pick up after yourself and the kids never do their chores. What happens is I end up doing all the cleaning. Today, you are going to do some of the dirty work. The upstairs toilet is clogged. I want you to fix that and clean the entire bathroom with bleach. Make sure to air it out when you are done. Nobody likes that bleach smell. That sounds horrible. What are you going to do? I'm going to pick up all the dirty clothes in the kids' room and do the wash. I will come upstairs in 1 hour to check on you. This is the worst day of my life. Well, we all need to make more of an effort to clean up after ourselves a little every day. If we did that, we wouldn't have this mess. Okay, I'll get started upstairs. I think the sink in the kids' bathroom is backed up too. Johnny tried to put one of his toys down the drain. Now the water won't go down anymore. Now that is the right attitude. You are such a great husband. Yeah. Let's just get this over with. I want to watch the game this afternoon at 4.